Hey everybody, it's Alan, shortballedandbearded.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cake in a coffee cup in the microwave. It's a really simple recipe. Gives you that little bit of that chocolate cake fix without all the carbs. Great to keep you on the straight and narrow on the wagon, because that's what we want to do. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pat of butter and just melt that in my coffee cup. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the butter good and melted now. So now we're going to go ahead and add the egg. What you want to do next is you want to beat the egg really, really well. So now you've got that nice and well beaten. So now you're going to add your dry ingredients. You've got to mix everything together now. You want to make sure that you get all the dry stuff off the edges of the cup. Make sure that you get a really consistent batter. It'll take a minute or two. Things like to clump up with the egg. Just keep on spinning. It'll get there. Okay, this looks pretty well mixed. So now comes the hard part. Put it in the microwave for about a minute. My microwave is 1200 watts, so it takes mine about 50 seconds. Kind of trial and error here. If you do one that's a little bit dry, kick it back about 5 seconds and try it again. Let's throw it in there and let it cook. Let's see how this looks. Oh wow, look at that. There you go. Easy peasy. 5 minutes, great little chocolate cake. Keep you from cheating. Stay away from those carbs, that sugar. You get those sweet fixes, get them like this. Until next time. Hey, if you like my content, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.